Slice up this steak here. Oh, look at that. Okay, time to plate up this wonderful meal here. And we've got first the pasta with this amazing sauce. And a little bit of these carrots. The finished meal. Thank you for watching, and once again, you can learn more about this meal at your sponsor. Have a great day. Alright, this is a very expensive handmade knife. That sharpener just hit the very bottom edge right there. You can see that, the only part that's wet. Dare I touch this? Well, yeah, it's really, really wicked sharp. Of course, fine water stones will get it sharper, but just for speed, stage 1, stage 2 is even finer. So you can check this out on the site. There's a lot of good information, some videos, and you can score it right there as well. Anyway, that's the review. Keep your knives sharp, keep cooking. Okay, when I oil a cutting board, I like to shake up the oil. It has some beeswax in there, and just give it a squeeze like this, circular motion, and I use a plastic bag squished up. This is the best way that I've found to oil the cutting board.